Business Insights, your guide to thriving in today's market. Welcome to Business Insights, your guide to thriving in today's market. In this fast-paced and competitive business world, staying ahead of the game is essential. That's why we are here to equip you with the latest insights and strategies to help your business thrive in today's market. The landscape of the market is constantly evolving, presenting both opportunities and challenges. With our valuable insights, you will be able to navigate through these changes with confidence and make informed decisions. We understand that the success of your business depends on staying up to date with the latest trends and understanding the current market dynamics. Our team of experts has meticulously researched the market to provide you with actionable insights that are tailored to your specific business needs. From emerging technologies to customer preferences, we cover a wide range of topics to ensure that you have a comprehensive understanding of the market. By leveraging our insights, you can uncover hidden opportunities and make strategic moves that give you a competitive edge. Whether you are a small startup or an established corporation, our insights can help you stay ahead of the curve and drive growth. In addition to our detailed insights, we also provide practical tips and best practices from industry leaders. Learn from their success stories
and avoid common pitfalls.
We believe that sharing these experiences can significantly impact your business's bottom line. Moreover, we understand that time is of the essence in today's fast-paced business environment. That's why our insights are presented in a concise and easily digestible format. We want to ensure that you can quickly grasp the key takeaways and apply them to your own business. So, if you are looking to thrive in today's market, look no further. Business Insights, your guide to thriving in today's
market, is your trusted partner in
navigating the ever-changing landscape of the business world. Stay informed, make the right decisions, and take your business to new heights. Subscribe today and unlock a treasure trove of insights that will empower your business to succeed in today's market. Remember, knowledge is power, and with Business Insights, you have the power to thrive.